Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I'm going to tell you about Ultra HD mode camera setting. How can you use in your Redmi 10 phone guys? How can you use? Today we will talk about this topic. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos friends. So first of all guys, open your camera and we will on, and after guys click on more, and guys you can see 50 MP. So guys we call it Ultra HD is on guys, so you can take photo with Ultra HD mode guys. So example for I am taking this flower. So let's see friends. Here guys, you can zoom guys 2 times. 1 2. Double tap to again open HD preview guys. HD. So I think friends you have understood how to how to use Ultra HD mode in Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thank you for watching my video friends. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.